is the main P line boxទៀត Romantex ring box អានេះគឺប្រភេទប្រអប់ហ្នឹងណាប្រអប់ជាងអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចង់បាននេះឡាប់ប៊ូពីរ version ហ្នឹងហើយខ្ញុំចង់បានជាប្រភេទបោះ scope panda this one and also molly ខ្ញុំចង់បានមួយពីរ and this one and also secret unbox ooh different looks so good อันนี้អាចធ្វើជាលក្ខណៈមួយអាចបែបនេះ and also can អាចចេះនេះយើងអាចរើសជាងយើងស្រឡាញ់ហើយអញ្ចឹងណាបើបានអីដែលយើងចង់បានឬក៏គាត់ចង់បានហ្នឹងទៅយើងអាចបិទអញ្ចេះវិញបានទៅជាកដោជូនគាត់វិញបាន good okay now let's see what I got who's that no trick that I don't like but yeah so good quality what we are doing oh yeah here card bảo hiểm vậy anh mình chiên and then put inside it's like this card vẽ trâu không yeah pop my back out yeah this is the first box I got this one outside okay let's go second box នេះ Labubu ពីរនឹងដែរ scope panda and molly how I got my favorite one No, it's not my favorite one also. I never buy this guy. And also this one, never. And I got. But this one, yes, kind of cute. It's pink. And this one a card. ring aside trên là gì like put inside here